Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the weekly intentions for week 8. I'm just going to dive right in. Okay. So, first off, last week I wanted to see price trade away from this weekly imbalance here. I wanted to see price just trade lower, expand towards the 95.551 level, and with my final target at the 94.629 level. So, this is what I'm expecting. Still expecting actually. We indeed traded away from the gap, and I'm expecting this week to still continue trading lower. So from the weekly, I'm still bearish on the XY. Let me go down to the daily. On the daily, we still have trapped order flow actually. We have this bullish fair value gap indicating higher prices, which if we were to see higher prices, we should have cleared this off. And we have a flat body right here, flat body candle on this high. So mere looking at this, we've been consolidating since on the 11th of February after expanding on, I think this is Monday. No, yeah, I think this is Monday, should be Monday. We expanded heavy into the daily fair value gap. After that, we've been ranging all through. We created this gap, we traded back into it, and we traded below the gap again. But we've still been on a range. Let me indicate this. So, with us being stuck in this range, I really don't have much of high probability towards anything to work with for the week, except to break out, and then I can frame something off from there. But from the weekly, I will want to see this gap close out. I want to see price trade low, close out this gap, use an inversion level for price to take the 95.551 level off. So this is a bearish scenario. On the bullish side, I would just want to see price inverse the fair value gap here, the daily fair value gap, and take out this highs, the flat body candle here. But like I said, we have trapped order flow, and I wouldn't want to rush into anything. Just gonna be slow on this one. So it's gonna be a slow week, I think. And the next time I have NFP and CPIs on same week, I'm gonna be like way off the shot because there was literally nothing to do with zero trades being taken on either pairs from GU to EU. So on the XY, I wouldn't want to go to lower time frame, but let me just go forward. On the forward, as you can see, there's not a high probability here. We'll just be ranging. So, so this is what we still have here. So I will keep updating the Discord on how I will be approaching the markets whenever either the high or the low is being taken out. Then I will be able to frame something off. But I could as well just see price take out this high here, then trade lower. Again, something like this. Go on, space price action like this. So I'll be moving to GU and E right now. Um, on the weekly, we tapped the weekly mitigation block I highlighted, and we have heavily rejected from the area. We traded above the previous weekly high last week, and currently I'm expecting a continuation of price. This is the propulsion block. So I could really utilize that area for higher prices. targets at the 1.19287 level on the previous weekly low. On GBP USD, we traded into the weekly fair value gap, and we can see some sort of rejection away from it, but nothing too heavy. And I can't really frame anything on the weekly, but all I can see is the previous weekly high being highlighted and the previous weekly low being highlighted. Going down to the daily time frame, a close above this will confirm higher prices for GU, since I will be looking at this as proportion block. If we have a close above this, then I want to see higher prices from here towards the previous monthly high, or at least the high of the fair value gap. I mean, we'll reclaim the fair value gap from here. Let me highlight that out. Let me highlight that out. Okay. Okay. Then on EU, I just want to see higher prices from same level I marked up, from the proportion block I marked up. This is the daily proportion block. Okay. So the daily proportion block, including the daily fair value gap that we've been respecting all week. So I could easily see the previous weekly high being swept from here. Or we could have retracement into the daily proportion block area, then take off. Either way, I'm looking to capitalize on longs. I'm bullish on EU. On GU, I think I'm going to wait for more confirmations. But if I should get my setup on EU, I'll be looking to long the pair. As we have the smooth, relatively equal highs there, we could have a low resistance liquidity run after the sweep of Friday's low. Uh, yeah, Friday's low. The sweep of Friday's low. Then we look to trade higher. On the 4 hours, we've been doing nothing but ranging all through. So there's a heavy consolidation. Yeah, something. So we haven't really been seeing the best of price action lately. So I think I'm gonna just stop here for currency pairs, and I'll keep updating the Discord as we go by day. But I see no high probability reason for me to take a trade until we clear out the range in DXY, the DXY we have here. We being stuck in a range. I want to see either the high being taken out or the low for me to be able to capitalize on the move. I wouldn't be talking much on BTC and Ethereum because We still keep falling, and I wanted to see a retracement into the weekly fair value gap, which fails to happen, and I don't think price is still ready to give me that. So for crypto, I wouldn't be doing any more analysis on that for now until we have something relevant that I have on my sleeve. And on metals, we've also been ranging. Look at the daily. We've been stuck inside this daily fair value gap for how long now? Think about the whole week we've been inside it. On silver, we have no one-sided move. We've been violating PDRAs to the upside, creating new PRAs to the downside. I think there's across the board there's no high probability market I should be looking at right now. So that's it. If you are not following the Discord, again, please do well to subscribe to my Discord for more free content. Thank you, and do have a great trading week.